Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an ice golem from Clash of Clans. Now, to begin with our ice golem, we want to start with the face. So, starting right here, I'm going to make a little rectangular shape for an eyebrow. And then I'm going to make another one right over here for the other eyebrow, and they're kind of pointed in. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and up. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here for this eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw another kind of like rectangular shape for the nose, kind of a little kind of off and kind of wonky. And then I'm going to make another one that just kind of goes up and down right here, kind of like a triangle shape for the nose. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down. It's going to go over. It's going to kind of curve around here and then come up to here and kind of like a smile. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and then it's just going to go straight down to connect to here. Now in here, I'm going to make some kind of big circular shapes that just kind of form the teeth of the golem. And then right underneath here, I'm going to make some more kind of big shapes just to kind of form the bottom row of teeth. I'm going to leave a little bit of space in between all of these. Then I'm going to draw a little line in between each one to connect it. And I'm going to make a line that goes right up here to this tooth. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go down real far, and it's just going to kind of swing over here. And it's going to come up here and kind of form the jaw of the golem. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, over. It's going to go up and then kind of curve around here. Then, starting right here, we want to put a couple of these little like crystal ice spikes on them. So I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a diamond shape right here. And then I'm going to make just some more kind of random shapes all along here just to form those kind of spikes. This next one's going to be a lot bigger, and it's going to take up a lot more space. I'm going to put one right up here too. There's going to be a big, wide one right here. And then a little smaller one right over here. Then I just want to connect this line. Now, starting over here, we want to make the arm. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here. It's going to go down, over, and then right here toward the jaw. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve here and then curve here to start the other part of the arm. And then I'm just going to add some kind of like rectangular shapes around here. I'm going to put one there. One that's just going to kind of go up, down, and then over. And these are just going to kind of form the parts of the arm. I'm going to make it a line that goes down, over. It's going to kind of curve around and then come up. Make a little line that just kind of forms around here for the thumb. Make a line that just kind of goes down, over, up, and then connects back for one of the fingers. And then another kind of little crazy shape there. I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves all the way around. And then kind of like a little square shape here for another finger. And then draw a line to connect all of these parts together. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go down and then come back up. Make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, kind of go around and then connect to here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, up, and then it's going to kind of curve up to here. Add another small one right here. And then one that's just going to kind of curve around here for one of the fingers. Make a small little one here. Then another little shape here, and then one more right there. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go out, up, and then connect into here for the arm. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then kind of come back up. Line that just kind of curves around here. Little circle shape. And then a line that just kind of curves right around here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here, and a line that goes over and then connects up here for the foot. And then another little small line right there for another toe. Now for the last leg, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, over, and then up like this. Little circle shape right here for the knee. Line that's going to go down. It's going to kind of curve up and then come back around. Big kind of square shape here for a toe. And then a small one for another toe. And then a line to connect them. And there you go. There is your drawing of an ice golem from Clash of Clans. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.